Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Real Debrid with Stremio. So first up, what you need to do is to pull up your browser and then type in real-debrid.com on the URL section to see this landing page right here. Now in this page, you're just going to sign up for an account if you don't have an account already, and then fill in the necessary details right over here to get started with your Real Debrid account. Just follow the prompts and then choose the subscription that fits your preference and then go ahead and subscribe to Real Debrid. Once you've done that, make sure you have the Stremio app downloaded on your device and then log into your account. So we're just going to navigate to the app right here, and then on the left hand side, look for the add-on section. Then we're just going to search for Real Debrid. So right here, just install this add-on and you should be able to use your Real Debrid account with Stremio. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.